Yes, take my camera. Let me borrow you. Okay.
Welcome you. Seriously, we are happy and very, very glad to see you guys. And I hope that you have a very, very wonderful stay in here.
Chup chup.
We are itching to see the wonderful, beautiful African ladies just as I am. So let's see who they are. Wow, you're looking. Oh my God, you're tall. Wow, beautiful. You're welcome. You're welcome. Wow, you're welcome. Wow, you're welcome. Can you see beautiful African ladies? Wow. Alright, so we're going to the rooms. We're taking them to their rooms now. This is the African Diamond House. Two African ladies.
Yeah,
What's
like
your
me.
name?
My name is Obian Kelechukwu.
Genevieve. What's your name?
Faith Godwin.
Faith Godwin. What's your name?
My name is Ogechi Akubomu.
Ogechi. What's your
My
name?
name is Olayemi Omolapeke.
Did you? I'm sure you heard all that wonderful African names. I'm sure we are here to have fun, and then you know that we are all contestants.
Yeah.
And so, what are your expectations for this show?
My expectations for the show is for God to help me, put to vote for me, my parents, my dad, my mom, my relatives, so that I can achieve this dream of being.
What are your expectations for this reality show?
I'm very happy to be in Miss African Diamond now, and I will be proud if I can be the Miss African Diamond.
Wow. Okay, she's so happy to be in this show, and then our aim is to be the Miss African Diamond. Well, so God help you. Let's see how much you can offer for